Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or add a positive habit to your profile in the Habitica app. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica app on your Android or on your iOS, and what you want to do here on your home screen is tap into Habits in the bottom left corner to access the list of your current or currently ongoing habits, good as well as bad. So you will see the list here below, so simply swipe through that list and check out your list of habits. And if you'd like to add a new habit and get used to it, for example, tap on that plus icon here in the middle. And after that, create a new habit, like a task, for example. So let me add a task title like, for instance, eat one healthy food per day or something like that to create a positive or good habit. You may add also additional information here by tapping into notes, and that's basically it. Make sure that it is selected as positive below, not negative. And last but not least, set also the given habits difficulty, like trivial, easy, medium, or hard. You may also reset the counter for daily, weekly, or monthly. So if you'd like to do the good or positive habit on a daily basis, I would recommend to leave it at daily to get reminded of that habit every single day here on Habitica. And that's basically it. In the last step, simply tap on create in the top right corner to create that good habit. And yeah, after that, it will be added to that list so that you may, for example, label or confirm this good habit as complete by tapping on that plus icon here to the left. And that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.